All right, everyone, we are here at 15667 Orange Harvest Loop. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath townhome, corner unit, always popular. Amazing paver patio when you come in. As soon as we enter the foyer, you'll see this beautiful wood-like tile. We have a den study bonus space located off to the left here. This house is absolutely stunning. Every upgrade you can want in the townhome. This is your half-bath powder room with pedestal sink. As we come into the family kitchen combo, you'll see that you have open spaces, beautiful waterfall island, gorgeous white kitchen with subway tile, large corner pantry, open to the family room with a large eat-in kitchen space. I'm going to take you back to the backyard portion just because I want to point out that you have a real park-like setting in the back here. A little sitting area, walking trail, but it is a fall covered lanai. And we're going to head upstairs. It also does, ahead of me, have a standard 2-car garage. And under the stairs here, actually, if you can see it in the video, has a huge storage area that actually curves around the stairs, just as an added bonus. So let's head upstairs next. So as we come upstairs, we have our 3 bedrooms. We also have this huge bonus loft area. Could be turned into anything you really want. It could be an extra bedroom space if you wanted to convert that, or just keep it as that extra flex space upstairs. We have our first guest bedroom on the left, set up as an office. All these bedrooms are about 12 by 12. So in the video, they may look a little smaller, but they are large bedrooms. Our second guest bedroom. Directly across the hall is the full bath. And this will lead to our master bedroom. On the right-hand side here, we do have a large utility laundry room as well. And the master bedroom. The exciting part about this house, or this room, is the bathroom. Got a seamless shower with a large garden tub. Water closet, and it does walk into a large walk-in closet there as well. So that's it. So it's an exciting home. It offers pretty much anything you need. You can move right in. And we appreciate you taking the tour today.